Welcome to GW Manager. In this video, I will show you how you can bulk deprovision Google Chrome OS devices with GW Manager. For that, you will go to your Google Sheet and click on Extensions. Here, you should go to GW Manager and click on Launch. If you do not see GW Manager here, please visit our website to learn more about the installation options. Once the tool loads, you will go to Manage Chrome OS Devices under Features. And from here, you will click on Chrome OS Device Action, as we need to take actions on these devices. GW Manager recognizes that we don't have action sheet inserted yet. So we will click on Execute to insert that sheet. And once that sheet is inserted, this is asking us for the device ID of the device on which we need to take an action. The name of the action, if we hover on that, we can see there was a disable, re-enable, deprovision, etc. And then we can also mention deprovision reason out of these. So first we need to get the device IDs of the devices that we want to deprovision. And for that, you can run or watch our previous video. There we showed you how you can export your Chrome OS devices in bulk. And when you go to Export Sheet, and the first column will have device IDs. So you will copy that, come back to Action Sheet, and paste the ID. And under Action, we will just put deprovision. And reason, it's required when we are doing a deprovisioning operation. So we can choose any of these reasons. I'll go with retarding device. Okay, now we just have one Chrome device to test, so we are doing it for one device, but in your case, you might have thousands of devices, and GW Manager was capable to handle thousands and tens of thousands of devices at once based on the infrastructure that we have at backend. Okay, now let me go to Admin Console and do a quick refresh, and you will see that we have one device that is in provision status, and it's a time to test a GW Manager. So we will be deprovisioning this with the reason of retarding device. So once I have the information here, all I need to do is click on Execute. If you want to schedule these operations, you can also watch our video to understand how you can schedule those for future. For now, we'll click on Execute. And within a few seconds, depending on how many devices you are trying to deprovision, GW Manager will come back and tell you the status. It says it's done, so let's go back and do a quick refresh, and it still says provisioned, so let's do a quick refresh, and now it says deprovisioned. When we click on this, we should also see the reason. It says retired from fleet. That's how Google takes it when you say retiring device. Okay, so this is how you can bulk deprovision Google Chrome OS devices with GW Manager. You can do much more with GW Manager, and we are constantly adding new features based on customers' requests. For more information, please visit our website, gwmanager.com. Thank you for watching.